Welcome to Foxtecc. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove Safari as your default browser on your iPhone. With iOS 17 and iOS 18, Apple has made this process much simpler than it used to be. It's a straightforward process now, so let's dive right in and get started. First things first, before you can change your default browser, you need to have another web browser installed on your device. This is an important step because without an alternative browser, you won't be able to make the switch. Head over to the App Store and find a web browser that suits your needs. There are plenty of options available, such as Google Chrome, Firefox, or Opera. Choose one that you like and download it to your iPhone. Once you have your new browser installed, the next step is to open the Settings app on your iPhone. This is where all the magic happens. Scroll down through the settings until you find Safari. This might seem a bit counterintuitive because you'd think the setting to change the default browser would be in the new browser's settings, but it's actually within Safari's settings page. When you tap on Safari, you'll see a range of options related to your browsing preferences. At the top of the list, you'll find the option for Default Browser App. Tap on this, and you will see a list of all the browsers you have installed on your device. Simply select the browser you want to use as your default, and you're done. It's that simple. Now, any link you click on will open in your newly selected default browser instead of Safari. This change can make a big difference, especially if you're more comfortable with another browser or if it integrates better with your other devices and accounts. Thanks for watching this guide on how to change your default browser on iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Foxtecc for more tech tips and tutorials. Leave a comment if you have any questions or if there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover next. Peace.